Hey ladies, or gents. Welcome to Wake Up Bright. I'm April Lauren, and if you're new here, I post, or even if you're not new here for this video, I am going to be posting cleaning videos on Mondays and Fridays and most Wednesdays. Occasionally I'll post like a wacky Wednesday or whatever I want Wednesday type post. Today though, as the title probably told you, I'm doing a cook and clean with me and a power hour in one. And really the cooking part is a meal prep. So meal prep with me and a power hour all in one video. So this is my first power hour ever, and it was interesting. I liked it. My list was a little bit more ambitious than the actuality. I didn't account for, I think, the time it takes to move the mic, like not the mic, but the camera around. Anyway, I also post vlogs and videos about our military lifestyle and my weight loss journey. I'd love for you to follow along on my channel if you're interested, that is. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ding the bell, and then let's go ahead and get started meal prepping and cleaning. Hey guys, so I'm going to try and chime in and talk to you guys a little bit throughout my voiceover. Like I was saying earlier, I'm so excited. If you're just interested in the power hour portion, I would skip to 11 minutes in. However, I am cleaning as I go and cooking. So the first half-ish is cooking and meal prep and cleaning, and the second half is straight cleaning. But all throughout, I found what I think, you've probably never heard of Bon Iver, but I love Bon Iver, and I found like a couple different artists that have very similar vibes is not a word, but that just happened to him, and so I'm super excited to share. Now I want to chat just a wee bit about my meal prep. So I made several different meals. These will last me at least the next week, maybe a little longer. I made a keto-ish version of chicken and dumplings, and I got that idea from Erin Does the Keto. I'll link her in the description below. But really what it is like a healthier version of cream of mushroom soup and chicken. So it would be like the equivalent of cream of mushroom soup with chicken. It's so good. I loved it. That's all I've eaten today. I had a bowl of that soup earlier when I got done. But then I did beef and broccoli, and that's the Cholula and like red pepper seasoning. And then I did chicken and broccoli ranch seasoning. And then I did just straight up salt and pepper chicken thighs over mashed cauliflower, and then I did a pepper chicken. So those are the meals that I made, and I'm super excited about them. Excited to share my little video with you guys. I hope you enjoy the pups following me around, begging for food. They're so stinking cute. I am obsessed with the way that they act when I'm like moving around the house. Like I had no idea until I started filming these clean with me's that they that they follow me and watch me like they do. It's so sweet. It just melts my heart. I'm gonna let you guys listen to a little music, and I'll chime in here and there.
Searching for an open door. I was looking for a peace of mind. It's a feeling that I tend to get. Won't rest until I make it right. Couldn't stand the thought of losing her before time had come. Like a storm that night, so you can make it out. So you can make it out. Now I know you're all I have. So blue, like a rose in a riverbed. We were standing in the freezing rain. Honey, how could I forget? In the distance were the warning bells, but I knew that you weren't caving yet. I will hold this house up with my own two hands, so you can make it out. So you can make it out. Now I know that you're all I have. So blue, like a rose in a riverbed.
Okay guys, as you can kind of see, like I've already started putting the meals in the meal prep containers. I did take pictures of all of the meals, which I'm going to show you guys at the end, but I did a terrible job at like filming all of the meals together. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it is what it is. Their pups were cracking me up with the trash can, especially like the one of the cover photos. It's got Julio putting his nose in the trash. They know they're supposed to leave the trash can alone, and he's so sneaky. I like called attention to it with an arrow, so maybe you saw that, maybe you missed it. Comment down below if you saw it. Comment, and you have puppies or kids even that sneak around and do stuff behind you, and you catch it when you're recording it. I thought that was so funny. Anyway, I really love my pups. One more thing, I've noticed on here several times how bad my pantry looks, and I will be doing a pantry organization and an under the sink organization video at some point in the near future, just so you know. Just a quick heads up. But you're still welcome to judge me if you want to. I don't mind. Almost done with the food portion. I don't know why my camera was like jumping around like that. Well, I mean, I was moving it clearly, but this is the mushroom chicken, cream of mushroom and chicken soup. So good. This was the bowl that I ate. Oh, it was so good. I highly recommend making something like it. This is the pepper chicken that I made, and it just has red and green pepper in it, which is why I'm calling it red and green pepper chicken. And then the garlic chili sauce. This is broccoli and ranch chicken over cauliflower rice. All of these are over cauliflower rice unless I say otherwise. The soup wasn't, and I didn't say. Whoops. This is just peppercorn and lightly salted chicken thighs over mashed cauliflower. And this is the Cholula broccoli and beef. And that's a really thin steak that I bought. And then this is just an overview of all of the meals. I thought it looked pretty, all of the colors, and I wish I would have just recorded a video instead of doing a still like this, but I think it works. Let's do the power hour. Oh, I like that I said as I wrote it. So during the power hour, I was a little overambitious on what I wanted to do, but you'll see everything that I did get to do. So I wanted to tidy the kitchen. I wanted to hang the curtains. I wanted to tidy our living room, clean our half path, and I needed to find all of the Amazon things a home because that pile of stuff over there was killing me. It was killing me a little on the inside. So I had to find it a home, and I did. Spoiler alert. Oh, there's a good overview of all of the meals. Okay, so this next song has lyrics, so I'm going to try not to chat, but it's like the power hour part, so I'm going to be chiming in hopefully for like a short burst. I did get that drill for the curtains out, and then it was my first time unboxing it, so I went ahead and plugged it in the charger to charge it up.
Troubled mind and rest. I need to breathe and clear my head. Shut my eyes and dream of things I could have done much differently. Wait for me now. I might come around, I might come around to this. Find common ground before we lose our heads, before we scrub our minds and live. I told you once, I'll tell you twice. My heart until I die. Built up from love, torn down by pride. A family made from a new design. Wait for me now. I might come around, I might come around to our heads before we scrub our minds and live.
Our little half bath downstairs is so tiny. Also, there's something up with the plumbing, and occasionally the water, it will get like stuck in the water runs. My dad tried to fix it when he was visiting, and it now is inconsistently runs. So I turn the water off And I don't know why I felt the need to share all of this with you, except I don't really use that bathroom ever. I always make sure it's on when I have guests because, I mean, it's not like it doesn't work. I just don't want to pay a big water bill if it starts running and I don't catch it. Because even when we didn't have that issue, I still used the bathroom in our bedroom. So our bedroom's downstairs, and then my office and the guest room and the husband's office is upstairs, even though it's not really an office. It's more like it's got a TV and a gaming system, I think, or he takes the gaming system up there, and then it's got our workout stuff. Like, I've got punching bag and all of the weights. For the living room, I really didn't need to do very much, so I really didn't. It was just a kind of a quick, like, straighten it up. That way I can feel good about it after, when I go downstairs after editing this video.
Before we lose our heads, before we scrub our minds in bed. The best is yet to come. At least you're both still young. That's what they said to us. But my God, what have we done? What have we done? Wait for me now. I might come around, I might come around to this. Find common ground before we lose our heads, before we scrub our minds in bed.
And it's official. I have completed my first power hour. I unfortunately did not get to hang the curtains, which was on my list, but all of the other items on my list I completed within the hour. I was super excited. I love Chippy. She's all about the tour. I think she's like, "Oh, you're done? Does this mean you're done?" She is so cute. Yeah, so I didn't touch the dining room at all, so I'll probably do something in there later today. And then I do need to deep clean all of the bathrooms in the house, and I need to do some high dusting and things. So I have that coming in the future. If you love puppies or clean with me's or all of the above, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up if you'd like to. And if you haven't, I would love it if you would subscribe so you can follow more of my videos and we can be YouTube pals. And I will see you guys next time. Before I go, it is Memorial Day, so I just wanted to say a quick thank you, although you deserve a lot more than a quick thank you, for your sacrifice, your service, and we are so grateful for you, and you are in my thoughts and prayers always, and especially today.